Hello everyone, my name is Hazel Devkota from grade 7 Meiji. Today I'm going to talk about invertebrate animals. So as we all know, invertebrates are the animals which do not have a backbone. Invertebrates are classified into 9 phylums. They are Protozoa, Porifera, Colinterata, Nemathelminthus, Platyhelminthes, Annelida, Arthropoda, Mollusca, and Echinodermata. So today I'm going to be classifying these flashcards, which is a name of invertebrate, into their respective phyla. So this flashcard has a name of invertebrate and its special characteristics on the backside. So this is a hookworm. I have cylindrical and unsegmented body. So it is Nemathelminthus. Mosquito. I respire through tracheal tubes. So it belongs to Arthropoda. So planarian. I have flat body, so it belongs to Platyhelminthes. Earthworm. I have segmented body, so it is Annelida. And coral, I have tentacles, so it belongs to Colinterata. Leech. I have soft, moist skin, so it belongs to Annelida. Snail. I have soft and unsegmented body, so it is Mollusca. Paramecium. I am unicellular, I have cilia, so it is Protozoa. Cyclone. I have numerous spores, so this is Porifera. Liver fluke. I am internal parasite, so this is Platyhelminthes. Housefly. I have compound eyes, so this is Arthropoda. Starfish. I have spiny skin, so it is Echinodermata. Hydra. I have hollow body, so it belongs to Colinterata. Euglena. I am unicellular, I'm the simplest, so this is Protozoa. Amoeba. I am single-celled, so this is Protozoa too. Ascaris. I have round and unsegmented body, so this is Nemathelminthus. Spongia. I have osculum, so this is Porifera. So with the help of this chart, we can classify invertebrates into their respective phylums and know about their characteristics. So hope you learned something new today. Thank you.